Hello, this is Penelope from Just Write the Damn Book, reminding you that we are running the course as a workshop live here in Emsworth. Emsworth, of course, is in Hampshire. So if you live fairly nearby, or even if you don't mind travelling, we'd love to see you. It starts on the 25th of October and runs through the Friday evening, the Saturday and the Sunday, at the end of which you will have a book. It won't be published, obviously, but you'll be only several steps removed from that great event happening: editing, book covers, prefaces, etc., etc. But you will have a product, which is what you're after, and that's what we aim to help you create. So we're looking forward to seeing you. You can book online at penelopewhiteley.com by simply selecting Contact Us, or you can do the same thing at the Just Write the Damn Book page on Facebook. In any event, please come along, get your book finally written. This could be your moment, and we will see you then. Don't forget, if you have any questions, email us or pop a message on the Facebook page, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. See you on the 25th. Ciao, ciao.